Since Seat launched the Leon in 1999, they sold more than 2 million units of that car worldwide, and with this, the Leon is one of the success stories of the brand Seat. Now they present the fourth generation of the car, and we now have a closer look what is new with the new Seat Leon. Looking at the front of the Seat Leon, the car now is 1.80 m in width, and this is about 17 mm less than the predecessor, but it doesn't look smaller or less wide, and there are some good reasons for that. So one is the new grille. You may know or remember the shape from the Seat Tarraco, but this one here is a lot flatter, wider, and that really gives the car a lot of power at the front. Another very important thing is the new shape here with the bonnet, which goes down into the car and really gives the car extra dynamic. Very important down here, these small bits and pieces you see, they not only work regarding to the aerodynamics, you can also change them easily, piece by piece, and that makes an accident a lot cheaper because you don't always have to change the whole bumper. But I think more important are the new headlamps. They're a bit more deep into the car, which gives the car a bit more an aggressive look from the front. And I think important to know is they always come as standard in LED technology, but you can have a bit more of technique if you want, and that then is called the full LED package.